Hi, my name is Sam Kirby, and I created this Kahoot here for my students for my Challenge 2 for the assessment badge. And within this Kahoot, I created 3 questions, which show right here, and they're all quiz types. And it has the question, and it shows a little GIF that I added for each question. So if we click the practice button, this is also what the students will see when they get on the Kahoot in order to play the game, in order to practice their questions. So they type in their name, and then this is how it's going to be for all the questions. It has this timer here down below, and it'll ask the question right here. So it's, if you are feeling stressed, what is one way you could help yourself relieve your mind of feeling stressed? And out of all 4 questions, the students have to pick what they think is the best answer. So I'm picking the circle here, journaling. And once you've clicked the question, or once everyone has answered, it'll show which answers are correct and which answers are incorrect. And once you click next, it has everyone's name on a roster here to see where they are when competing against each other. So we'll do one more question because we don't have to do all 3 since they're all the same. So this question is, if you are feeling anxious about anything, what breathing technique can you help yourself calm down? And this is trapezoid breathing or holding your breath. And the correct answer is trapezoid breathing. And again, it shows which one's correct and which one is incorrect. And again, it shows my name moving up. And that is all for my Challenge 2 for the assessment badge. Thank you.